So welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share the videos. Become a member of my channel. Yesterday I saw a comment. Some of you wrote me and say, "Okay, the price you predicted that the price will go here to $4,000. When will this happen? Why this is not happening? Not yet, and so on." Yeah, and I have new information for you. The price will go to 2,700 to $4,000. Yeah. Why I'm predicting the price that the price will go here to 4,000 levels or lower. The price is going to $34,000. Why this gap? Yeah, why this is so much? The reason is the price of Bitcoin have to drop to the downside. Yeah, that we can go after the drop to 100,000 and higher. Yeah, this is the picture. And many of you have not so much dynamic in their prediction. Yeah, if news coming out and they are too euphoric and they buy at any level, yeah, and that's not right. Yeah, so if you want to make money, then you can buy here at $31,000 levels, but there's the opportunity to get the Bitcoin price very cheap. Yeah, and if we're talking about $4,000, uh, I'm not predict this random and say, okay, I say here a number and say, okay, 4,000. The reason is if you're looking here to the Bitcoin price, yeah, that this level is tested at the moment. Look here, yeah, and this is a test. This is too weak. Yeah, the possibility that we can break this is low. So you can see we are here in our overbought situation. But this is not the only indicator. The problem here at the chart is if you're looking only to 2022, you will not understand the chart. Yeah. If you want to understand the chart, you have to look to the first days until 2014. Yeah. And you can see since 2014, we're going slowly and slowly to the upside. Yeah. And you can see we make the last retest here. The price of Bitcoin will go $4,000 at low. Yeah. So I cannot draw here exact why this is so, because this information is only for special customer who take the special Bitcoin analyze. But we can say here the price is overbought, the price will drop. We have signs, we have here also the situation that the uptrend is broke. We make a retest, the price will drop. I would say in few days or in 1 week or 2 weeks, you will see, okay, Wolf was right. Yeah, let's me look here to this level. So we're looking here to this. Of course, the price can pump to these levels. Look here. We can go easily to these levels. Then we are at 36,000, 38,000. The price can manipulate to the upside. Yeah. Um, okay, if you want to take these profits here, you can make this, but this is not in my focus. They can manipulate this. I say this here exactly. Yeah, they can manipulate this to the higher levels. The price can go easily to 39,000 levels, but this is really not in my focus. The focus is that the price will drop really, really hard. Yeah, let me look to these levels. Also here, we are here in an overbought situation. Let me look to this. You can see we test this level so much here. It's only also not so good base. So I calculate that the price breaks here really through to the downside, and then we get here really trouble at the Bitcoin price. Yeah. Let me look here more inside. Yes. So short term is not so much interesting because They can manipulate this price really to higher levels and lower levels. This is not the right focus. Yeah, in my view, is the price have to drop. Yeah, but in this, how can I say, in these days, they can manipulate easily to 39,000. You can see we have the structure for this. Yeah, but this is really not the focus of this video. The focus is give an answer to these people. Yeah, what happens with the 4,000? Yeah, the price will drop really hard to the downside, and targets in my eyes is between 2,700 and 4,000. I know some of you has another view to the Bitcoin price. They are very optimistic. They expect here price in direction of 100,000. The 100,000 will come, but not today. Yeah, we will see a rising of the Bitcoin price in direction of 100,000, 150,000. That is clear. We have not discussed. We have to not discuss about this point. The point is here at this video: will the 4,000 happen or not? And my view is the price will break down really hard. Yeah, expect not this kind of information from my side that the price will go directly to the downside like this. We learn from the whales; they manipulate a lot. That's the reason why you should take the special Bitcoin analyze, because we have here two, three possibilities in which the price can happen or the drop can happen to the downside. Example, the simple example is we going directly to the downside, then we are at 4,000. Yeah. The another possibility is imagine the price drops to a specific area, specified area. Let's say 20,000 or lower. Yeah. From this point, a second manipulation begins to the upside. Yeah. And then another constellation will happen. So these two or three possibilities I will put in a chart in which you can measure and can say, okay, both set if you're reaching the level, for example, 18 or 20,000, then this will happen, yeah, to the upside, or yeah, so that you have a strategy what will happen. So to say the price will go directly to 4,000 is too easy. Yeah, it will also not happen that you're going directly to 4,000. They will manipulate the price. You will go a little bit slowly, a little bit fast. Yeah, but in the end of the day, we will reach the level of 2,700 and $4,000. And that's the point. I would recommend it for you the special Bitcoin analysis, because there you get this information. In the past, I also put information about the manipulation. I said, okay, the price will pump $3,000 to $4,000. Could happen that the price can pump to higher levels. Yeah, but this time we will draw the manipulation exact and said, okay, what is the possibilities? Yeah, how we can save money if you see this chart like this. Yeah, you can see we broke this structure to the upside. You think you are safe. Again, I said this to you again. You think, okay, we broke this structure, we are safe, and say, okay, the structure is broke, we can invest here at these levels. But this is wrong. The price is in an overbought situation. Yes, they can manipulate to 39,000. That's not the focus. The focus is what happens from these levels. Yeah. So even if they manipulate to 39,000, the price will drop. Yeah. And it's relatively interesting in the next days, weeks, how many people will switch from bullish to bearish. Yeah. Especially if you're reaching the 28,000 levels again, many of the people will write me and say, okay, you were right. Yeah. So I'm finished. I would recommend it for you, the memberships. We have Wolf End Price Target, we have Wolf Next Target, we have the Bitcoin Club, and we have the special Bitcoin analysis in which you can say, okay, I wanna take the analyze here. I want not a membership. I want only once the special Bitcoin analysis in which I can see in which direction the price can go. So in this video, I said to you the price will drop here to the downside with a manipulation to 39,000 is possible. That's not in my focus. They can manipulate the price to the higher levels. Interesting is if the price is going here to this levels, then it's getting interesting. Um, I think it will go very quick to the downside. There are areas in which we will go slow to the sideways, but the story is interesting. You can make a lot of money here if you stay on the right side. Have a nice day.